I just had a really neat day. For the first time, I shot my Harman Titan 4x5 Pinhole camera, made by Mike Walker of Walker Cameras. There is no lens, there is no focusing. It's just very simple. A lot lighter than lugging around my Mamiya RB67 Pro SD. I'll fill up 3 double film holders and they slide in the back, and I take them out and I'll expose them. The reason I do 3 is that gives me 6 exposures. I discovered these 20th century camera sheet film reels, and they fit perfectly down inside a Paterson tank. I love Paterson tanks for the ease and speed with which you can get chemicals in and out of the tank. I have a couple of their smaller ones that lets me do some 35 reels. I can also do medium format, 1 medium format in the smaller tank, 2 medium format in the larger tank. I also can develop 2¼ by 3¼ sheet film with these reels. They're just fantastic. I like developing with Caffenol, which is Arm & Hammer washing soda, and I keep it in a sealed mason jar to keep it dry. Some vitamin C powder and some instant coffee. But anyway, let's take a look at those negatives. They're still a little wet, but here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and take a look at this one here. I'm going to cast a shadow, but that is a pinhole camera, and look at the detail in that. A lot of that has to do with the quality of the camera, but also the size of the negative. Bigger negatives are always great in shooting photographs, film photographs. And here's another one here, same truck. I think I shot this with a 110 millimeter cone. The other one was with a 72. Isn't that wild? Just wild. This particular photo is the last one. There's an old work truck that is sitting in the woods behind my neighbor's house. And I'm going to zoom in here. You can see the steering wheel. That's inside the cab of the truck, and that's a tree that's growing up there. There's debris all around it. But I metered on the inside of the cab, which was the darkest. That was a 6 minute and 43 second long exposure. Just wild. Anyway, it's November 21st, 2020. I had a wonderful day here using this brand new Harman Titan 4x5 camera, and looking forward to using it more. That's it.